The government may have to go to the polls under the shadow of another interest rate rise. The Reserve Bank Governor Glenn Stevens says RBA policy won't be influenced by the election, and that means rates could go up halfway through the campaign. Here's finance correspondent Philip Lasker.
The ground rules haven't changed for the man who put up interest rates on John Howard's watch during the last election.
The board will meet, consider all the issues for the economy and do its job. What else would people expect?
Some are expecting rates to go up. Despite the governor's observations that global growth is uneven, Asia is trying to slow down and Europe's future is more uncertain. It's because the Australian story is different.
The general medium-term picture for Australia is fairly positive, unless the rest of the world really tanks in the near term, or unless something goes wrong with the medium-term China story.
That may be so, but Commonwealth Bank figures on credit and debit card transactions for June don't seem to bear that out. In fact, those transactions grew at the slowest pace since the global financial crisis. The Reserve Bank board minutes for July were released today as well. The RBA says it chose not to move on interest rates this month while it waited for more information. On the domestic front, it's waiting for next Wednesday's inflation result, which will show increases in rates and taxes.
Certainly from that perspective, we don't have a central bank that has been extremely discouraged by what we've seen in the global markets in the last few months, and therefore feels that any upward pressure on inflation could be stared down.
Bill Evans predicts Glenn Stevens will have to do to Julia Gillard what he did to John Howard and put up interest rates in August. Philip Lasker, ABC News.